Okay, my people, we are back again. I just want to go through some of the video and respond because I have a lot of people responding and having different things to say. You understand? And I can only pick the one I felt that I feel that is worth sharing. Is worth sharing. The one that I feel that is worth listening to, and not that they won't listen to. Sometimes it is about creating awareness or letting people know who they really are. In the live broadcast that we had, if you have watched that, or if you have not, please go and watch it. Maybe especially the part where we talked about Master Prophet. One of the things that distant Mazamukano, not Mazamukano families, and especially Kanunta Kanu and Master Prophet and rest of them from DOS is about money, not about integrity, not about the Biafra agitation. I am beginning to see some reasons why some people don't want to join Mazamukano or say anything about Biafran agitation. Is that you love Biafran freedom does not mean that others do. Some actually see it as a means of survival, a means of livelihood. Some actually believe that Mazamukano is the ultimate. Like he must be the one to bring Biafra, and if not him, nothing else. They know that it will be hard for him to bring it alone. They understand it, but they don't want to talk about it because of the money coming in from that. I am not going to tell you what to do, but my own is to tell you what I feel. It is you have the final say. Our own is to share. You understand? To broadcast and let people know what is going on. Kanunta Kanu, yesterday I watched some people in the when Biafrans were having meeting, online. I listened to what the one somebody called and said that he just denied being prime minister of Biafra. That PM just denied that. And here is Kanunta Kanu is now. He's here now, re-echoing the same thing. He's trying to say something like that again. Listen to that, because these are people telling you that he's the agent of darkness, agent of provocation, meaning that they don't have anything to do with the government. That PM is working with the government. But every intel that's supposed to come from government, they will hear it before anybody. That's why Master Prophet was busy making a video of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, posting and trying to rejoice. Just like others have rejoiced about the kingdom of his in-law and their brother, Master Kanu. And we were busy insulting and talking bad on those people who rejoiced about Master Kanu's kidnapping. Seeing his siblings rejoicing and lovers of the IPOB rejoicing about the condition of Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, is something very, very shocking. Like I said, after this, what next? What will be the fate of Biafrans and Igbos in general? That you can come out publicly to rejoice over your brother's predicament. At the same time, you expect people to take you serious, isn't it? It's not going to happen. And let me tell you, if that is how you guys want to end your brother Master Kanu, then it's left for Master Kanu himself to clear the air. Because some of the things that I'm seeing from you people actually make me to think and believe that you guys have been eating and feeding large from IPOB, and that is why you guys are doing what you're doing at the moment. Hear this. A boy has turned into an infant overnight. Self-proclaimed Prime Minister of Biafran government in exile, Mazi Ekpa, has denied in Finnish court that he is not a freedom fighter, rather a content creator. Now, the same thing that he said here is what enemies of Mazamukano actually said. Just connect this dot. That's the reason why I'm making this. I'm writing on this. It's not that I can ignore it one hand. How many of you remember when they were shouting that Mazamukano denied that he's no longer IPOB leader? That he denied in a court that he is no longer IPOB leader. The same bullet they use against their own brother is the same bullet they are now using against other people. Are you following what I'm saying? Because it was Mazin Namadagano's lawyer that came out publicly to to clear air, because Nigerians were having claiming that, oh, they're going to do this, they're going to do that, they're going to that he Mazin have denied being the leader of IPOB. That is what DOS and Mazin siblings are not doing. And you tell me, who will not take them serious? He told the court that he was an ordinary IPOB family member. Watch this video and see for yourself. If Simon Ekpa is in any way a member of IPOB. You don't need to ask yourself if he's a member of IPOB. He is not a member of IPOB, but he organized fundraising for you. The same fundraising that you guys are telling Finland to persecute him for. Nah. The same fundraising that you guys are now using, screenshotting people contributing money, because the money is not going to your account. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Everything they have used against Master Kanu, Kanu's siblings and his in-law and DOS are not using it another person. I am tired of hearing Master Kanu that hearing that somebody hijack IPOB, hijack. So when Wazuke was saying that Simon Kanu hijacked the struggle, he was actually right, judging by your own opinion now. I don't really feel that it is wise to, fight this dirty fight that most of you are dragging everybody into. But if that is what will reset your brain, why not? Now, for the benefit of that, let's listen to what the video of PM that he caught and shared here. But before then, remember these people, how Nigerian media are now telling you that they are going to repatriate Simon Ekpa from Finland. I think I have the video here. Let me flash it before we play this video. I think okay. Let me play the video, then I will now go back to that, so that I will not go back and forward again. Listen to this.
Finland did not disown me, because all of them are already.
Listen.
They can go now and start having sleepless nights, because IPOB Finland did not disown me, because all of them are already jubilating. Hey, including Fulanis, Fulani are sharing the memo everywhere. All the Hausa Fulani everywhere in Nigeria, they have shared it. They have shared it in BBC Hausa. They have shared it in all police, their police group. Somebody sent me this thing from one of the police group like that. They share it, and everywhere is jubilating. And you should be asking yourself a question: why are Nigeria jubilating for hearing that I hope Finland is on Samarema? Does that stop my activity? Even if the entire Finland come to disown me, does that stop what I'm doing? Does that stop my truth? I am not holding any position in IPOB. Let me make it very clear. I don't hold any position in IPOB. So how does disowning me stop the exposition I'm doing on Nigeria? How does that stop the awareness I'm creating? I don't hold no position in, and this is one of the reasons I don't want to hold any position. I want to give my selfless service. And my brain is working 24 hours. I don't want to hold any position. Hold your position, but allow me to give my service using the talent God gave me and the one I get from school by studying. So use it to give service to Biafra. That's all I ask for. I'm not interested in your leadership. I don't want anything that will hinder me, or somebody will wake up tomorrow and say we are suspending you. No. That is not me. And when I talk this kind of things, people say, he's proud. He don't want to respect DOS. No, I'm respecting them.
So all of a sudden, Kanunta Kanu is now in love with DOS. All of a sudden, he's now in love with DOS, right? All this is to mold the organization, to hold everybody head bent in making sure that you as a state in contribute money for IPOB. They are the one giving you Biafra. That why they are building house. Why that if you contribute money to any group, apart from Nikin Afanaya, you're on your own. Do you understand it? You're on your own. These people are out to make and suck our people dry. I'm telling you honestly. I'm being honest to you. Now let's go to this. So this is a Sarah reporter telling you breaking Simon Ekpa will be extradited to Nigeria to face charges. Defense headquarters says they have a very long write-up here, which I'm not going to go through. It is just a garbage. The same write-up they had about Amaka in Canada. That Amaka is coming back. Amaka is coming back. Do you remember that? Amaka, they're going to extradite Amaka to face charges she called for. This is what you get whenever you hear, whenever issue that has to do with an Igbo man, and get ready to face it. US, and they contribute to the ego. You see, after this, I will make sure that I will do my best to, expose this kind of thing, this criminality going on, contributing money for one individual to build himself and lying that you are fighting for freedom. No, 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 no. People need to wake up and stop that nonsense. It's either you fight for freedom or you go to work. Okay, it's not a must that you fight for freedom. If you want to live with a Fulani forever, so be it. Anyway, my people, I don't have much to say again because we cannot keep on prolonging the video. We know God bless you, and don't forget to like this video, share it, and comment. And tell me what you think about Kanunta Kanu's rejoicing. All of them are rejoicing, and I know why I'm making this video one by one, so that it's not gonna be something that people will say, oh, he did not. Go and verify. God bless you. Bye bye for now.